Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about government scheme to improve education, which are important for our UGC NET paper 1. So, let's start. So, first very important scheme is Samarg Siksha. Samarg Siksha, it summarizes three centrally sponsored scheme of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, which is known as SSA, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, RMSA, and Teacher Education, TE. See, what is the meaning of Samarg? Samarg means where we merge everything. Samarg Shiksha means it is centrally sponsored scheme, three centrally sponsored. And what are the three centrally sponsored scheme? Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, and Teacher Education. So, another important point of this is this scheme treats school education holistically as a continuum for preschool to 12th. So, in exam it can come. This this Samarg Shiksha Abhiyan is for which level? It is to the preschool to 12th. It aggregates school education to continuum from preschool to senior secondary level and aim to ensure inclusive and equitable quality education. So what is there? Inclusive, equitable and quality education. The main emphasis of this scheme is on improving the quality of teacher education by focusing on the two T's, teachers and technology. So in exam also it can ask Smarg Siksha, what is the two T's in Samarg Siksha? So the two T's in Samarg Siksha is teachers and technology. So you get about Samarg Siksha. So Samarg Siksha Abhiyan is this. One more time I am repeating. It is some uses of three centrally sponsored scheme: SSA, RMSA, and TE. It is for preschool, means preschool to 12th. And what is the work of it? To improve the quality of school education by focusing on two T's, teacher and school. Next, Right to Education Act, very important for our exam. The act was amended in 2017 to ensure that all teacher acquire the minimum qualification prescribed under the act. Means Right to Education Act is, it was started in 2017 and acquire the minimum qualification act, minimum qualification. So minimum qualification, now what are the minimum classification? We all know B.Ed, for the B.Ed, LT, TT, TGT, PGT for our junior classes, and for university level or for colleges we need NET, SET. Okay. So further, to improve quality of education, central RTE rule, RTE, what is the full form of RTE? Right to Education Act, have been amended to include a reference on class wise and subject wise learning outcome. So next is Navodaya Vidyalay. Navodaya Vidyalay. The Navodaya Vidyalay scheme provides for opening of one Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. So which is the, it is a school, Navodaya Vidyalaya, Jawaharlal Nehru based. It is JNV, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, in each district of country to bring out the best of rural talent and provide them quality education comparable to the best in resistional school system. You know what is Navodaya Vidyalaya? It is a entrance test in every district or every that rural area, and the students which are selected, they live in that Navodaya Vidyalaya, and there only they study, and they got study up to 12th in free of cost. Okay, next is your NISHTHA, National Initiative for School Heads and Teachers Holistic Advancement. It is under centrally sponsored scheme of Samarg Shiksha. So it is under the Samarg Shiksha. It is not, friend, you have to remember that it is the under of Samar Siksha. It is not the summases of it. Okay. It aimed at building the capacities of around 42 lakh teachers and head of school, faculty, member of SCERTS, DIETS, blog resources coordinators, and culture resource coordinators by training them to encourage and foster critical thinking in students, handle diverse situations, and act as first level counselor. So, what is the very important NISHTHA? Nishtha, learn full form. It can come in exam. National Initiative for School Heads and Teachers Holistic Advancement. So what we have to do in this, another thing, what is the aim of it? The aim of it is to select around 42 lakh teachers like head counselor. How they will act? They will act as counselor. Okay. Next is National Curriculum Framework. National Curriculum Framework. The National Curriculum Framework promotes joyful learning through culture activities including art, music, dance, and theatre in playing a very critical role in students' life and school activity. So, NCF, they can ask NCF, full form of NCM, and the aim of NCF. Very important. National Curriculum Framework. The National Curriculum Framework promotes joyful learning through cultural activities including art, music, dance, and theatre is playing a very critical role in students' life and school activities. So, friend, for today, this much only, and next day I will tell you about other activities. So, today, what we read, we have completed. The next video will come soon. Samark Siksha, Right to Education Act, Navodaya Vidyalay, Nishtha. These are very important. This can come in exam, your upcoming exam. National Curriculum Framework. Okay, so up to there we have to read. So read up to there, and you need this PDF or you need this all. So you can join my Telegram channel. It is given in description. Okay. So thank you, and please do like, comment, and subscribe if you like this series. And if you will do comment, then only I will make next part of it. Okay, so please remember to subscribe and comment. Thank you.